get to the car, she starts going.
Legs are
Yeah.
My windshield wipers won't work. What is life right now, you guys?
You got a big one to open.
It's like big.
Yeah, you should open it.
Good morning. I am headed downtown to go Christmas gift shopping. Let's go. Minutes left. Wait. Babe.
Hey.
You got accepted.
I got in.
Hey.
Yeah, I got in.
That is so cool.
I got in. Yeah, it's a big deal. It's a big deal. I looked into, there's a lot of things I have to go to.
I wanted to share with you guys kind of what that call was about, but I think I'm gonna have to do it another time because that's pretty loud. Oh, H&M. Would say it was a success, but my God, it is so difficult to shop for clothes here in general, especially like something that's decent quality, that's gift worthy. I typically do all of my shopping on Black Friday. I can't think anymore, but this time I waited like an idiot. But it's okay, it's fine. I think I got what I needed. Now I just need to make sure that it's packaged nicely. It's time to do that holiday shopping, and I am getting him, a bike, and you'll see a little bit later what Jay is getting him. Okay, if that's the bike I'm getting, all the way up there, I wonder how this is gonna go. This is the bike I think I'm getting. I'm gonna double check. But Jay ended up getting him, there is one right over there. Jay and his mom was just here, so she probably like pulled it out like that. Like, this is the one. That is definitely her personality. She's the organizer, so I'm not surprised. Yep, probably making sure I got the right one. All right, we got the bike. Good morning. There's a storm, big storm, and I've got to make it. Oh no. I've got to make it to Walmart. It's been snowing all night. Okay, my hand is literally freezing. So here's the deal. We're gonna have to cancel our Christmas party that we were planning. So a lot of the stuff I was gonna vlog probably can't. Oh my God, the door is, there's ice everywhere, shoot. Oh my gosh. Okay, in a major turn of events, the whole end of Vlogmas might be completely different than I thought it was going to be. Okay, I'm starting the car up. It's gonna get a little bit. Oh my glasses. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Y'all, it has been quite the last 2 weeks. I am so behind on posting these videos because life has been lifing. Life has been lifing. I'm just gonna recommend that you watch the last live stream, and since then I've been having internet issues, the storm, the party's gonna be canceled, my son is sick. Look at outside. This is what we're dealing with. This is what we're dealing with right now, and it's supposed to snow for like the next 24 to 48 hours. So I figured, you know what? Let's just turn lemons into lemonade. Whatever, I'm just gonna film whatever happens, it's real life, whatever. Big storm, it's happening like all over the Midwest. I wonder about the East Coast, I'm not sure. I know Chicago is hit really bad. All right. My windshield wipers won't work. Okay, I gotta do some scraping apparently. What is life right now, you guys? My car needs to be clean, mind your business. Okay, we have to, everything is frosted. Everything's frosted over. I can't open the door. I can't open it. Come on. You guys, I literally can't scrape this off. I'm going back inside. I've been out here for 5 minutes. My fingers are freezing. I'm going back. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. I'm headed home, y'all. Nah. No, it is not soft snow. It is iced. My hands are frozen. It is not safe for anyone to go outside like that. And the crazy thing is there's not even that much snow. It's just very cold and everything is ice. And I busted my ass outside. The little lady with her dog was like, "Are you okay?" I was like, "I'm cool. I'm all right. Thank you. I legit fell forward. Yeah, I haven't fallen in years. I've called in the reinforcements. Look at his babe. This is where I slipped and fell. Can't even tell that there's ice. And Jay is, look at his little mittens. His mittens are socks. Yeah. Everything is all iced up.
You can tell me. You just won't have side windows.
No, I can't see the back of me either.
That's fine. Yeah, they ain't no getting this out, baby. You just gotta drive in it.
Jay has volunteered to go in place of me, so I'm letting him. Today I'm going to be cleaning a lot, doing laundry, getting the house ready for the party that's not happening. It's snowing, yes.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
The fridge is complete. At some point, I want to have one of those like really cool organization systems. I have been talking about it.
Literally since before we were married.
Wait, I've been talking about it that long?
Yes.
So you guys know, I don't know if you guys watch TikTok or anything like that. We're still cleaning. Please excuse the house. But they do all of those. They're like refrigerator organization things with like the clear boxes that you put everything in, and like everything looks so neat and organized, and then you change the labels of all of the jars. Like, I want to do that. I need that in my life. I like having different packaging inside the fridge is so ugly. Like when I was younger, there's no way I would have ever cared about this. Actually, no, I probably would have still cared about this. Why are you looking at me like that?
She's right on one of them people that's like, you know, you get know when you're geeking out about how to organize your refrigerator.
But guess what he geeks out about?
Tech.
What's the other thing you geek out about?
Tech. What else?
Cleaning supplies and air fresheners.
No.
Yeah.
I just grew up around, my mom always had air fresheners. I don't geek out about it.
He has so many.
The house just needs to smell good.
He has so many different kinds.
I can't even tell you half the brands.
Gosh.
I do have a new method I'm geeking out about. So to be fair, but I normally don't. I don't really care. But the new method I geek about is boil water, get a steamer pot. Like we got this steamer pot like right here, you guys. I get a steamer pot. You put a lot of water in it, and then you put like flowers, oils, and everything, and then just let the steam go. And that's the best air freshener you can get, and it's healthy. You ain't got to worry about like burning your candles.
You're basically.
I'm geeking out about that. I'm geeking out about that. That's cool. Okay.
But
like
since I met you.
Yes.
Since I met you guys, he's had 1,000,001 Glade plugins.
My mom always has. She's been in my mom's house. My mom and my grandmother. Let me say this. My mom and my grandmother always keep the house clean, and that's who basically raised me. So when there's not like a scent in the house, it's just a part of home. However, I really was like into the Febrezes because that's what I grew up with. Then I was doing candles, but then like I heard like I guess something bad about candles. So since I get nervous with candles being around Da Vinci all the time. So I just been getting nervous about it. And then I saw a TikTok video where somebody's like, just boil essential oil. And so that's why I've just been doing lately.
Right.
But it's mostly because I grew up.
Which it does work because it really fills up the room.
I know it sounds like I gave like this whole list of things. I'm like, here's list. But I really don't care. I want the house to smell good. I don't care how it smells good. I just want it to smell good. I might end up having like 21 different essential oils over time, so that may be true.
You heard it here first, kids. Okay, so
Nothing.
he's making his family famous tuna nuna. The infamous tuna nuna is done. The chai tea latte with a hint of chocolate.
You happy? Okay.
Hey, it is moments. Probably like 30 minutes until our holiday party, and we have finally cleaned everything in the house outside of, you know, the stuff that we're using to set up. I'm gonna be getting it in setup mode, but we ended up getting Wingstop.
Hey everybody.
Oh, where's the fries? Oh, phew.
Forget.
I was about to have a heart attack. Oh, they need to start cooking soon. Okay, let me focus. It's a PJ game night. So we do this. Now it's become kind of a tradition.
Yeah, we're gonna try to make it a thing.
Yeah. So I'm gonna make like European hot chocolate with like melted chocolate, real chocolate. We're gonna have the wings, we're gonna heat those up, drinks, people are gonna bring a couple things. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
The hot chocolate is alcoholic too. We got like a straight from Ireland, Irish cream. This stuff, you guys, here, I'm gonna put it in the camera because if you guys ever go, man, go drink this stuff. When I tell you it's Bailey's and all that, ain't got nothing on this, right?
Yeah, it's really good.
It's just good to have, like with a little ice cream, pour it on some ice cream, it's crazy.
It's so good. Okay, let me get ready. Last time I made this hot chocolate, which is made from just a little bit of milk, and last year we used Ghirardelli. This year we're using Toll House or Ghirardelli. I don't remember if it's Gir or Gir. You just put like a little bit of milk in it so that it doesn't burn so easily in the pan, and you melt the chocolate. Then people basically put the chocolate in their cup, and then they can add as much or as little milk as they want. We've got oat milk, we've got whole milk. Them wings is looking real good though. They're right over there. Oh, the wings. Oh, the wings.
We just knew that a girl that's a friend of hers had access to edibles. Toya and I were like, we're gonna go get it, so the girl gets us this cookie. Now, mind you, we don't know what grams mean. It's 500.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay? But it's this big cookie, and it's a 500 T. It's the ones for the people who got like serious health issues. whatever, right? So she told us, take a piece of the cookie. She has a brownie too. She said, take a piece of the cookie. A piece, it was very, and then it was like, then we looked at the video, and it was like, don't take another one. Wait 45 minutes. You know, like,
It was an hour. No,
hour.
he said it. He was like, not 45 minutes, not 50 minutes, not 55 minutes,
Yeah.
1 f***ing hour.
So we listen to it, but we get the cookie. So now, mind you, Toya and I have never been high. I have never been high in my life.
Never
right?
been high ever.
And our brilliant selves decided to go to the movies.
Oh.
and go see Annabelle 2.
Oh.
Like some Jeremy.
Oh my God.
Right.
Oh.
So
I would have thought it was gonna pop out the wall.
yes, that's exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, that's exactly.
Oh
Yes.
my gosh.
She's like, go to wait. I'm like, nah, it's been 45 minutes. Nah, I ain't working. I'm gonna get another piece because I thought I had too small of a piece. No, but now we walk in. Toya starts going, my head feels funny. I know that. When we get to the car, she starts going, oh, Jay, my legs are spaghetti. What are you talking about?
Did you see the
Yeah.
I'm like Gumby.
In the thing, we in the middle. On top row, she puts an alarm on her phone to go off every 30 minutes in the movie.
Not in the movie, girl. Bananas? A bunch of
Nah, but the other one.
bunch of berries?
Yeah, but okay, single with a D and put it all together. Single with a D.
Why are you laughing?
So you just put a D in front of the S and you want to
Dingleberries, yeah. I think it was dingleberries. They were like, yeah, I made it.
We're having so much fun.
So you can either steal one or the other or open this.
so she can steal it.
Yeah.
This is dope.
Oh, wow.
This is dope.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I like this.
Yeah, I think I do too.
Bath bomb.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh. This is a little coffee. I can make my Bible with it.
Cater to the guy.
Yeah.
Is that a bath bomb?
Yeah, it's a bath bomb.
Yes.
Wikipedia. Y'all have to get context.
That's true.
All I need to say is Dragon Ball. He would know I'm saying Goku. You know what I mean?
Good morning. Last night was a lot of fun. It was a small but mighty crowd, and I really needed a laugh. Honestly, I haven't laughed that hard in a few months, so that was really good. We have a lot of damage control. We ended up putting a lot of the food away, but some leftovers of the party. It didn't get too messy, but messy enough. I love these. I got no plans for today, but I'm like 2 Vlogmases behind. Gotta post. Santa and his elves have been busy.
Yeah,
Wow.
yes, he did. And they said, don't open it.
Until Christmas, that's what it says.
It says,
Do not open
do not open
until
Christmas.
December 25th. Love, Santa, North Pole Shipping Co. Special delivery.
Remember, we have a North Pole.
Yeah, the North Pole. I don't know, it kind of feels like if you're on his nice list, you might get some more.
North Pole Park.
Alright guys, it's Operation Santa and his helpers. We're working in the dark, but so far, it's good. And we're gonna wrap working.
Please jingle with me, baby. I wanna get to know you better. Please jingle with me, darling. How much
with the train again this year. He's been asking about this train all year because the first one broke. As soon as it broke, he wanted another one, so we got him another train. And this time, hopefully, he doesn't get scared.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around,
The bike for you?
everything
Sit on
will
it.
be
Does it
okay.
fit?
'Cause all I wanna do is
That you got a cool
this
bike.
holiday.
Is there a
Oh
button?
my
I think there's a button on the bike.
Tomorrow
There's a button?
is Christmas, the first for me and you.
Wow!
Longed for this moment
The little one.
to have you
Oh, I think
That
that
was
was
you?
yours.
Open
in a
it.
cabin out in nowhere. Portable the first for you and me. Another year went by.
Swaggy sweater.
One more person.
Is that ever since July?
Oh my goodness.
I've been having
What is that?
Hey,
Big.
you got a big one to open.
It's like big.
Yeah, you should open it.
Yeah, open it.
tomorrow it is Christmas.
Open it. You can tear it. You can tear it. You can rip it apart. Open it. Pull it.
What?
What is it?
What is that? In a cabin out in
Like, oh, you got a banana.
Little minis. So you could try something new.
You know, I'm a guy who likes skincare. She didn't give me anything.
Kate
Gift I'm exactly
Somerville.
excited about.
Just so you could try the body one. So there's a face one, the white one, and then she has a body one, so you could try it. I know, right? Right.
Tomorrow it is Christmas. Longed for this moment to have you for myself. You have it out of nowhere, just as no one else. I decorate everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow
There you go. Okay, now put this.
tomorrow it is Christmas.
He's learning how to drive in the house. It's been awesome. I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. So we've got my mother-in-law, father-in-law, a couple like his cousin, his Nana's gift, or his grandma's gift. Hi, are you enjoying Christmas so far?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
What's your favorite gift that you got?
The train held in the track.
You like the train track? Yeah, awesome. Do you like your car too?
Yeah, the big one.
Mm-hmm.
You need to see it.
Oh, you want to show? Okay.
Ta-da!
Wow. Can I see you in it?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. You look very, very, very cool.
Where should I go right here?
Are you going to bump into something?
Mm-mm. No. Shh. Wait for Daddy to get up.
Give me a high five.
Oh, yeah. My dad built it for me.
Yeah, you look very cool in it.
And it's sunny. It's Christmas today.
I know. Sunny and Christmas. Who would have thought?
We're gonna make pancakes now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to help you.
Okay. I am cooking with my new hex-clad pan that you guys will hear about. But it is a beautiful pan, and I'm very excited. I got it from the Amazon Creator
And
Summit.
then I have a car right here.
Non-stick, stainless steel, everything. Like, I'm
And then
lit.
It's a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention. Giving you a smile, I can seem to look away.
perfect pan. That's a perfect pan.
Crazy, but I think I
Big.
feel it
Perfect.
too. Like a vibration right between us with a beautiful
Perfect
two.
call.
Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but I'm warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around.
It is Christmas Day, of course, and I decided to be slightly festive. I'm just wearing one of the outfits that I put together, my holiday outfit, something very comfortable. To be honest, I don't feel like getting dressed. I don't feel like doing my makeup. I don't even feel like being out of the house. And so I just chose the most comfortable one with a black v-neck and the satin pants. It's cold outside, but we're gonna be in the car. I haven't been in the mood. So it's not the most stylish thing I've ever worn, but it'll get the job done. I'm just gonna be around family. We're finally at Nana's house. He's mad at us. And he's mad at us. Because we took too long to get here. Ooh. Go ahead, open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. He's so polite.
Yeah.
Oh, look what Nana got you. Ooh.
Oh, you about to tear that?
Oh, yeah. Popcorn.
Saturday night ritual. Here we go.
I know. It's like all different kinds.
Different flavors.
Oh,
So, did y'all hear me say that I fought for that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I went to a party. And
Oh,
it was a white elephant gift. And so when they first opened up stuff, and I was like, they're gonna steal this. Somebody's gonna steal this from me. And somebody opened up the popcorn. I was like, oh, I gotta get that popcorn. I was sitting at the table. I was like, somebody gonna steal from me. I knew they was gonna steal from me because I had one of the best gifts there because I stole it from somebody.
Oh.
And so they stole it from me, and I was like, And I was like, y'all, I'm sorry. The girl was excited about her popcorn. I said, my mama love popcorn. When I saw that,
Oh,
I got to
no.
y'all just don't understand what.
This is so nasty. I don't get it. It's a cup. Show them the cup.
It's a cup.
Thermos.
But it's made from
like a reed. Why would you drink from that?
It's my office.
When you walked away, the straw was there.
Oh, there's a straw inside the box.
Inside the box.
Oh.
But again, when you walked away, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give you that.
I saw a Ray can. That was like.
They had all
I need that.
I am ready for bed. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch Vlogmas. I'm going to post the whole playlist in the comment section as well as in the description box so you guys can catch up on any days that you missed. 25 days of videos between this channel and my other channel, and I put them all in one playlist. Thank you again for rocking with me. I fully intend on continuing with this channel and growing it. And so those of you who joined me from the other channel or found me randomly, thank you, and happy holidays and a happy new year.